Did you know that you can make $2,000 daily by uploading movies of rain on YouTube? Welcome to Cash Collect. In this video, we'll show a comprehensive guide on how to upload movies of rain directly from your computer or mobile device to YouTube. This possibility requires no effort to initiate, and it might significantly improve your financial situation. So finish this video for some quick instructions on how to launch your business and begin making money right now. The method I'm going to reveal will allow you to create rain movies like this one and earn hundreds to thousands of dollars daily without having to upload any videos featuring your face or voice. Therefore, without further ado, I'll demonstrate the nature of these films. And so we have rain on a window, and it is just going to be one shot of a window with some rain, and it is going to have rain noises as I progress through this. Nothing changes, it's just old. They only need to shoot once and then loop it over and over again. So I'm going to take you to Social Blade, which is basically a platform where you can discover analytics on various channels and where people reveal how much money they're making from each. It's common for the reported amount of a person's income to be significantly lower than their actual earnings. Let's take a look at this rain video channel and see that he might be making anywhere from $143 per day to $2,300 per day based on the numbers we see there. Pexels appear to be the tool of choice for these guys, and Pexels is where you can acquire free stock photographs that you may use, and so can many other people. You may change the photographs whatever you like and use them without giving credit, and they're completely free to use. In case you are wondering, they do have a great rain video. All okay, take this. Simply drop over, have a look around, and pick out whatever strikes your fancy. However, bear in mind that using a lot of bright colors and lights isn't ideal if your project's goal is to assist people to get to sleep, and that darker displays or even black panels are preferable. Formerly, I used Final Cut Pro for editing. But if you're an Apple user, you may also use iMovie. So to give you a sense of how it works, what I would do is come up here and create a new project. I'm going to take the rain footage I obtained earlier and simply drag and drop it into my project without giving it a name. This clip lasts only a minute and 14 seconds. Well, if you look around, you'll see that many of these rain films are 10 or 8 hours long. Let me explain how you'll do such a lengthy task. It will primarily involve copying and pasting. When I want to copy or paste something on my Mac, I use the shortcut Command V. When I want to go quickly, I merely hold down the V key on my keyboard. Time savings of a significant amount may be realized now since the job just takes around an hour to complete. We have a video that will play indefinitely, but the rain noises are essential at this point. Therefore, I'll simply show what I use, albeit there are plenty of other resources out there. The greatest, highest quality tool I employ, however, will be found right here at Epidemic Sound. You'll need a subscription, which costs $19 a month though. But the good news is that they provide a free trial that lasts for around 30 days. Spending 30 days dedicated to building this channel will show you if the time and effort spent were worthwhile. Now, let me show you how to locate rain sounds. We'll simply go up here to search and key in rain, and when we do, it will tell us the music and sound effects that are typically connected with rain. We'll head over to the sound effects section and give those a listen. They have rain, we have rain umbrellas, and the gutters are full. There are a wide variety of sounds to choose from, giving you more creative freedom and the potential to produce a film that stands out from the crowd. I then just use the drop file here button to transfer the ringtone we just downloaded to our current work in progress. As for me, I continue along the same lines. I'm going to keep repeating this process of copying and pasting. This is the final version of your video. There's nothing else you need to do, and you'll have a rain film complete with audio and visuals. And just to quickly demonstrate, if you wanted to make a black screen, what I generally do is go up here to my generators, and there's a custom one here that's black, and I just added on top of there, and you can actually drag this out. and you basically get this black screen with some rain noises. Creating videos is a versatile medium, allowing you to cater to a wide variety of audiences. The sounds of water or the outdoors are one option. Therefore, if I go to Pexels and search for waterfall and then choose videos, I should be able to discover some lovely examples of waterfalls to use in my own work. As we return to Epidemic, I will enter Waterfall to discover the numerous options available. Because of this, you may build a wide variety of things and express your creativity. Those of you without access to a computer who are interested in doing this from your phone may rest assured that you can do it using the same two methods I described above. Pexels is a photo app and Epidemic is a music app. If you're looking for a rainy scene to use in your film, you can simply put rain into Pexels, and the first result will be that exact scene. To begin a new movie, we'll select Movie from the drop-down menu and then click the Make Movie button. Time is the only thing that stands in the way now. Now, what do you think about that? Now that we have our video organized, we can add some music or sound effects by using the Epidemic Sound app, which will bring up the interface seen above. Just like the last time we looked for rain, we'll do it on the internet because it's so simple. You may make money while sitting back and relaxing by creating videos on your computer or mobile device and posting them to YouTube. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $995 per day just by downloading free applications. So if you're interested in doing that, click